BASF corporate strategy is to create chemistry for sustainable development. And of course, if you look at Vietnam, education is one key factor that we see as lacking, especially in areas like this in Mekong. So that's why we saw the opportunity to work with our distributors, our partners, and companies like Saigon Children's Charity to actually build schools to develop this concept of better education and access to the school children of Vietnam. That's why I think it's very important that we support that sustainable development through education.
We are very delightful to be part of this program, and with all this contribution and involvement, we believe also upbringing the students in future, they will conduct a similar CSR to their community when they have grown up and successful.
Và chương trình này rất là ý nghĩa để giúp cho các bé được có những cái tiện nghi, tiện ích để cho các bé được học tập được tốt hơn. MKVN sẽ luôn đồng hành cùng BASF về tới những cái vùng sâu hơn để có được những cái ngôi trường khang trang cho các bé và những cái tiện nghi cho các bé.
I'm very glad and I believe such effort will continue with the joint effort from BASF, SEC and Nippon Paints. We will continue to build and paint more school and make a better place for to host the student and improve not only the study mood and also the living mood of the student and community.
BASF has been doing it for the last 5 years, so we've built already 5 schools, and we hope to continue this every year, especially together with our partners. More and more what we see is that a lot of the different companies that we work with, distributors, partners, customers, they're very keen on actually doing it together.
BASF. We create chemistry.